Hey everyone, hope you all are having a great day. Today I'll show you how you can simply add Google Analytics account with your WordPress website in under 10 minutes. First of all, go to search bar and type google.com/analytics and press enter. I would recommend you to switch the video to 1.5x speed so you don't get bored. Click on get started today. Now click on start measuring. Here we have the 5-step process. So first of all, put your account name, whatever you need, and make sure to sign in with the same with the official Gmail ID which you are using on all things for your website. So I'll type the name here, my WordPress websites, and look for all of it. So also take this Google product and services, read all this and click on next. Now you have to create a property here. So for that, you can write your your website name, like whatever your website and space website. Here you have to search which time zone you want to see the uh, your website status. So I want it for CN GMT +5, so I'll select Pakistan and I'll select the currency US dollars. It is related to the Google AdSense and other things. So yeah, I'll search for Pakistan. Click on next. Now here you have to describe your business. So you have to look into all of these categories which you can see here and select the best appropriate category you think your business comes under. And if nothing, then you can write for other business activity. You can click for other business activity. My website is basically a digital marketing agency. So I have click on find here, click your business size and then click on next. Now you have to choose your business objectives here. So my business is a service agency, so I need to generate leads. If you have an e-commerce store, you should click on drive sales, but I will not click on it. Understanding web or traffic, yes. And view user engagement and retention, yes, I need that. If any of the above does not suits your business, click on choose other business objective. Click on appropriate ones and then click on create. Now here it is the Google Analytics terms of service agreement. You have to type your country or maybe from where you are operating it. I'll write Pakistan. It doesn't matter whatever you decide, whatever is your country. You have to select the terms and conditions specific for your specific country and then click on I accept. Now we have to set up from where we can collect data. We will set up our WordPress website. So click on web and then put your website domain here. And in the stream name, you can put anything, like you can simply write your website name and then space website or whatever you wish. I'll set up my website name, website GFO 2025. Here you can see what do you want to measure on your site. So click on settings and then you can see what are the tick marks you have set up. Just read all of them and open or click close whatever you don't need. Now click on create and continue. Now click on that specific tag, and then it is asking to install manually or install with WordPress. We have a WordPress website, so we'll install it with WordPress. So we'll click on the next button, and here, this is the main. You can see this tag is the main tag, this one. Copy it from here, or if you are installing it manually, and if you are installing it with WordPress, maybe there is no need to put this tag. So let's go to our WordPress website, go to plugins, and then search for site kit. Go to add plugins, sorry, first of all go to add plugins and then search for site kit. Now install this one with 5 million active installations by Google. Now activate it. Click on start setup. Monetize your site's content directly in your WordPress dashboard. Yeah. So tick it, click on the tick box, and then click on this one as well, and click on sign in with Google. You have to sign in with the same Gmail ID which you used in the google.com/analytics dashboard to create your Google Analytics. In that way, this website will be automatically connected. Select all and then click on continue. I'll hide a few things in the video which are confidential. So it says you are already verified. It picks the data, click on next. Now to show metrics inside dashboard, yeah, click on allow. Already added to search console. We have already created a search console video recently. You can check it out if you want it. Click on next, click on next. Now it took us to the WordPress dashboard, and we can see our account which we created there, our property, and our here you can see the pin. Now click on complete setup, give it the permissions, and then click on complete setup. Now it shows congrats on completing the setup for analytics. You have completed, now we have completed the setup of Google Analytics or GA4 with our WordPress website, and it might take 2 to 3 days to gather the data or collect the data and then show it to you on the first time, and then it will put the live data. On top you can see the traffic tab, you can see the content, you can see the speed and monetization. When you connect with Google and AdSense, then you can show the monetization details here. Here from above, you can simply check the last 7 days data, 90 days data. So this is how you can simply connect Google Analytics with your WordPress website. Hope you like the video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.